Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system, FWD, rear defrost. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.